Today in the grain market, the soybeans were higher. Those heavy rains stalled the planting and really starting to get the market off to the races. We're up double digits right now. We got up above that $9 mark. That was a big benchmark of a resistance number. Now it's become a support number. The market's kind of blown right through, and maybe we caught fire just a little bit delayed from the corn. The corn was giving us a tell the last couple of weeks, but finally soybeans jumped on board. There's more delays. You know, there's going to be less acreage for soybeans, and we're only about 79% planted right now, which normally last year was like 93%. That's not looking good, and certainly that's a recipe for a rallying market like we see it right now. And momentum is building, and some of the people that have still remained short down below are getting very uncomfortable. They start to unravel that and start to do some short covering here. We can see the market actually move even further. So finally, soybeans is bringing a lot of the grains along. Corn was steady to a little bit firm today too. That USDA report is going to show that there is planting cuts completely. They expect that perhaps 10% of the entire crop won't even be planted this year. So there's just so much rain that was all over the weekend in the forecast as well. Very difficult for the corn market to really get rolling here. And I think I'm saying the corn crops to get growing. This has been just an unseasonable weather that we haven't seen in many decades, actually, that we're at this time of the year, and the weather continues to just be just be so difficult with all the rains. Wheat did firm up, and I think that it's being taken along by the corn and the soybeans. There is a delayed harvest as well that underpins those markets. However, we are really priced out of competition around the world, makes it very difficult. We still have a lot of wheat supplies around, and our exports are relatively low. It's somewhat creating a chasm below that has me concerned a little bit, so we got to watch out for that. But some of the funds still remain short in all three contracts, Kansas City and Minneapolis, and what do they know that we don't know? It's kind of difficult to say, but right now all the grains are very strong today, and we'll see after our crop progress report today. It's going to be really important to see exactly where we are, where our numbers are, certainly for this summer.